Collision Mitigation System Pedestrians. To enable the system to detect a pedestrian, the vehicle driving speed must be at least 10 km per hour. For pedestrian detection, clear information about the person's head, arms, shoulders, legs, the upper and lower parts of the body and person's normal pattern of movement are required. There must be a contrast to the background. If there is little contrast, the person may not be detected. If major parts of the pedestrian's body are not visible to the camera, person may not be detected. To detect a pedestrian, the system must have a full view of the person's entire body and the person must be at least 80 cm tall. Collision Possible Warning Level 1. The driver is alerted to the risk of an imminent collision by first level of visual and audible warning. Collision Warning Level 2. Automatically applied and released braking. If the driver does not take control or the driver braking force is not enough to mitigate collision, system issues the second level of visual and audible warning and applies partial braking with engine drag. Emergency Braking Warning Level 3. Automatically applied braking. After second level warning, if the driver does not take control or driver braking force is not enough, and risk of a collision is imminent, the system applies harder braking along with third level of visual and audible warning. When system has applied the brakes, a pop-up message will be displayed as automatic emergency braking completed. Notice. Warning.